Assalamualaikum. Good morning, student. I'm teaching online from IYS school. Today we are going to start new chapter that is three-digit number. Today I'm going to teach from page number 8 to 13. So today you are going to learn about how to representation of 100 and how to identify place value of three-digit numbers. So representation of 100, as you know that one small block means one ones and one one shows one. So this is group of 10 block and this rod shows 110. 110 means 10 because this group of 10 block made with 10 small blocks, and if we add 10 columns of 10, so it will make 100, and 100 means 10 tens because 100 made with 10 tens. Now you can see here in this picture there is 10 group of 10 blocks, and this 10 group of 10 block shows 100 place, and there are two rods. These two rods shows block of tens, and these small block shows block of ones. So there are three columns, 100, tens and ones. As you know that three digits start from 100, 100 to 999. So these blocks shows three-digit number. Now you identify number by using these blocks. So square shows block of 100, rod shows block of 10, and a small block shows block of ones. So how many block of tens is there? There is only one square, so it shows 100. So you will write 1 at 100 place. And how many block of tens are there? There are two rods, so these two rods shows two block of 10. So you will write 2 at tens place. And how many block of ones are there? Count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 small blocks. So you will write 8 at ones place. So these block shows number 128. You can also write this number in words like this: 128. Now you will observe how many block of hundreds and how many block of tens and how many block of ones are there. So there are 1, 2, 3 block of hundreds. So you will write 3 at 100 place. Then you will count how many block of tens. So these sword shows block of 10. So you will count how many block of tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 block of tens. So you will write 6 at tens place. Then you will count how many block of ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 block of units. So you will write 5 at the unit place. So these block shows number 365. You will write this number in words: 365. In next picture, you will identify the number by using these blocks. So these square shows block of 100, and these rod shows block of 10, and these small block shows unit. So first you count how many block of hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 block of 100. So you will write 5 at the 100 place. Then you will count how many block of tens are there. These sort shows block of tens. So 1, 2. There are 2 block of tens. So you will write 2 at the tens place. Then you will count how many block of units are there. 1, 2, 3. These small block shows number of units. So you will write 3 at the unit place. So 500, 2 tens and 3 unit makes number 523. Then you will write this number in words as 523. Now open page number 11 in your book. Take your pencils and write down the answer. Here question is given, count and write how many. So you will count these blocks, then you will write the number. So here H means 100, T means tens and U means unit. First you count blocks of 100, then you will count block of tens, then you will count block of unit. Then you will write the number in the number column, and in the third column you will write number in words. So see in page number 11. See in box number 1. So you will identify how many block of hundreds are there. There are 2 squares, so you will write 2 at the 100 place. Then you will count how many block of tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 block of tens, so you will write 4 at the tens place. Then you will count how many small blocks. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 small blocks, so you will write 3 at the unit place. So 200, 4 tens and 3 unit makes number 243. You will write this number in words column 243. Then see in second box. Now you will identify the number by using these blocks. So this square shows block of 100, this rod shows block of 10, and this small block shows unit. So how many block of hundreds are there? Counted 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 at the 100 place. Then you will count how many block of tens. Block of tens also 3. So you will write 3 at the tens place. Then you will count how many block of ones. So there are 7 small blocks. So you will write 7 at the unit column. Now 300, 3 tens and 7 unit makes number 337. You will also write this number in words like this 337. Now open page number 12 in your books. Here question is given, complete these and also write the numbers in words. There you will also identify the numbers by using these blocks and then write down the number in words in number column. So count how many block of hundreds are there. See in second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 block of 100. So you will write 7 at 100 place. Then this rod shows block of 10. So how many block of 10s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 block of 10s. So you will write 5 at the tens place. There is no unit small blocks, so it means there is no unit. So you will write 0 at the unit place. So 705 tens and 0 unit makes number 750. So you will write here 750 in words. Then see in fourth box. Count how many block of hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 block of 100. So what will you write at the 100 column? 9. Then count how many block of tens. These rod shows block of tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 block of tens. So you will write 6 at the tens column. Then there is no small blocks. It means you will write 0 at the unit place. So 906 tens and 0 units makes number 960. So you will write this number in words. NINE 9, HUNDRED 100, 900, AND and SIXTY 60, 960. Remaining part you will be complete in homework. Then open page number 13. Here question is given, write in figure and words the number that is. So see in second box, here question is given 300, 110, 5 units. So first you write the number, then you will write the number in words. So you will write here 315 because 300, 110 and 5 units shows number 315. Then you will write in words 315. See in third box 200, 4 tens, 4 unit. So 200, 4 tens, 4 unit shows number 244. Then you will write this number in words TWO2 HUNDRED 100 AND and FORTY 40 dash FOUR 4 244. Remaining part you will be complete in homework. Now note down your home assignment. You will write counting from 101 to 500. Note down your home assignment. You will write the counting from 500 to 800 in your fair copies. And you will also complete page number 9 to 30 in your books. I am telling you again, you will write counting from 500 to 800 in your fair copies. And you will also complete page number 9 to 13 in book. Now I am going to finish our lecture. We will meet in next class.